On the first day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Deputy Chief Minister Snehaw Dhar, Urban Affairs, introduced the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Amendment Bill 2024. Shakliar Wadri, Minister in charge Labour, Employment and Skill Development, introduced the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Amendment Bill 2024. Other bills introduced were the Meghalaya Goods and Services Amendment Bill 2024, the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill 2024. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong also presented the supplementary demands for grants and supplementary appropriation for 2024-25. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker